Hello, this mindfulness task is called What's That Sound? You will simply need to try and work out the common sound. You will of course be using your sense of hearing, so closing your eyes may help you to focus. You may find the sound is similar to something else, or that you nearly guess it correctly. Don't worry if you can't work out the sound, because this task is really about learning to focus. Enjoy the task. Are you ready? So, did you manage to focus and use your sense of hearing to identify some or all of the sounds? Did you notice that you weren't thinking about anything else? Or that your body was still? Or maybe even that your breath was calm and even? When we are focused like this, we are being mindful because we are not distracted. See if you can apply that same kind of focus to the next thing you have to do today. I look forward to sharing another video again with you soon. Bye for now.